Hello and welcome back to Codecademy's Learn JavaScript course. This is the function section, Arrow Functions. ES6 introduced arrow function syntax, a shorter way to write functions by using the special fat arrow notation. Arrow functions remove the need to type out the keyword function every time you need to create a function. Instead, you first include the parameters inside the parentheses and then add an arrow that points to the function body surrounded in curly braces, like this. We have our const rectangle area. It's assigned width and height, so we don't use the function keyword, just the fat arrow right after our parameters, and then just the opening and closing curly brace. It's important to be familiar with the multiple ways of writing functions because you will come across each of these when writing other JavaScript code. Our instructions say change plant needs water to use arrow function syntax. So we just zoom out a bit. We could take a look here. And we would just remove function and then add our fat arrow. And this should work exactly the same as our other way of writing the function, just minus the function keyword and adding this fat arrow. Let's run this. And we did a pass. The important thing we're learning here is just basically another way of writing a function. It is introduced in ES6. And it's just a shorter way of writing a function by using the special fat arrow notation. If you guys are understanding that, you guys are getting this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.